Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from videos without blur. So if you guys use a video editor and remove watermark from the video using masking, for example, there might be blur lives on the videos, and here I'm going to show you how you can remove without the blur. First, you can just open your browser and find this any eraser free online watermark remover. Open the app, and after it's open, here you can just go to the image or video object remover. Choose it on the left panel. Now you can just upload your videos in here. Click on upload here. Then find the video that you want to remove its watermark. For example, I'm going to remove watermark from this videos right here. Now you can just adjust the brush size and brush off the watermark to remove it, just like this. You can do it within seconds. And after that, you can just click on the remove object now. But since I've already used it before, so when I try to click on this, I need to buy the plan, because the Anime Eraser only gives you one free credit. So just try it on your own. You can see the preview, the before and after in here. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.